Hey everybody, Ricky with Apple Valley Farm. Today I'm going through some very interesting audio equipment. A friend of ours, an elderly friend of ours, is downsizing, getting rid of some things, and they just gave me a bunch of plastic totes full of audio equipment because they know I love music. I haven't even looked at this stuff yet, so I wanted to explore it, and I thought we'd do it together. So let's see what kind of cool stuff is in here. All right, let's get into tote number one. A receiver of some sort. Speakers. Bose speakers. Very nice. Oh yeah. Turntable. Equalizer. I guess this is the, this is the tuner, dual cassette player, 3-disc CD changer. Very cool. I like it. That's cool. And it's got the manual with it, so nice. I like that. All right. Box number two. Oh my. All right, we have another speaker. This is the TEAC that probably goes, one of them that goes with that system. It's probably a 6-disc changer. It's at least a CD player. 4-disc. Very nice. If it works, and I'm sure it does. Ooh, look at that. I'm not even going to open it all up yet. But a Panasonic turntable. It looks like it needs a little TLC. Then this Panasonic receiver. 8-track recorder player. Very cool. Wow. This is very cool. Look at these indicators here. This is very high-end stuff. I love it. Wow. If this works, then this will definitely go in my room with my cassette player. I love it. Wow. If you're not familiar with this, it's what it used to look like. Model number RE8140. Okay. Panasonic LTD RE8140. So I'll have to look up some of this and see what we've got here. But wow, I like that a lot. That's fantastic. All right, 3 more smaller totes. Let's see what we got here. All right, more speakers. These are SEL speakers. I'm not familiar with that. This looks like 8-track tapes, maybe. Oh, it is. Look at that. Little Teddy P. Quincy Jones. Oh, Stevie Wonder, Songs in the Key of Life. Wow, I've never even seen that on 8-track. I hope that 8-track player is operable. I can't wait to play these. What are you? This looks like a receiver. Oh, look at that guy. 8-track and a cassette and a receiver. I love it. I love it. Another one. Oh, okay. A dual cassette deck. This is a Sharp dual cassette deck with auto reverse. And in case you don't know, this gives you the ability to dub cassettes. So if somebody has a Billy Joel cassette, then you can copy it onto a blank cassette, and now you've got one. which is probably completely unethical, but that's what we did. This looks like a pretty nice tape deck. I would assume things work, but you never know. We'll get it all plugged up here in a bit. Another oh, it's the other TEAC that goes with that other stuff. Youth favorites, gospel songs and choruses. Oh, and I collect old hymn books and gospel booklets of music. So I will definitely add this to my collection. Oh, I love it. Love it, love it. Stand up for Jesus, ye soldiers of the cross. Yeah. What have we got here? More speakers, but these are not cheapy speakers. These are some really nice TEACs. Model LS MC80. Very nice connectors here. These are not dollar store TEACs. This is nice. I'm curious about these. Very curious. All right, the last one. Da 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 da. A checker challenger game. Look at that. I wonder if that's all in here. From J.C. Penney. Look at that. Look at that. $54.99. This was hot stuff in its day, I would say. Oh, it's got the checker pieces in here, little wooden pieces, and the instructions and the game. But I don't see a power supply, but that's okay. I'm sure we can figure that out. I am curious to see if this guy works. And we also have the chess challenger in here as well, not in nearly as good shape. Look at that. At one time, $44.97. Because this was probably super high tech. I bet you these are the chess pieces that go with it. It's you against the computer. Let's go ahead and take it out. It looks just like, oh, good. Looks just like the checker challenger. And there is the power supply we can use for both of them. And the chess pieces are not in here, but we've got them over there in that box. So I'm curious in just a little bit to see if this guy still works or either one of them works. We'll give it a shot. Maybe we'll do a video on both of these. I'm very curious about that. A lot of random cables, some kind of a power supply, HDMI cables. Oh my. What are you? This is, oh, it's a phone cradle. Oh, here's the manual that goes with that dual cassette deck. That's good. Now we're old school with this microphone. This is a realistic microphone, which was a Radio Shack microphone. Very cool. Not super high end. This is consumer grade, but this is something that we can use with our recording deck. Oh, there's another one. Another microphone. A VCR TV band separator. This is so you could plug this into your TV and hook up your VCR to it. So, some of it, like I said, is not going to be usable at all, and some of it is quite usable. There's another HDMI cable. Some of it is quite modern and quite usable, but most of it, not really. That's cool. That is cool. I'm so glad we got to do this. So that is, that's really cool. And we love the people that passed all of this stuff along to us. They're wonderful, beautiful people who are aging on in life, and they've chosen to share this stuff with us, and it means a lot to us. So I can't wait to really go through this with a fine-tooth comb and to start to see if some of this works. We'll video some of that too as we see if it works and how they work and stuff like that, especially those games. But thank you very much for going through this with me. This was really cool, and I hope we treat all of this stuff with the proper amount of respect as we kind of see if it can make its way into another phase of life. So thanks a lot. I hope you enjoyed this. Join me. We'll be doing stuff like this a lot. And I love dealing with old equipment, especially music-related equipment. And we'll just see what we can do with it, what works, what doesn't work, and what we can make work with our modern stuff too. Anyway, thanks a lot, and I hope you enjoyed this. And hang around for more. Come join us, join our channel, subscribe to us, and please tell a friend if you like this, and tell them to come along, and we'll do this together. Thank you. Have a great day.
I don't know how to keep from hurting you, and I don't know why you keep on loving me too, 'cause